Hey everyone, Dr. Thomas Gulla here. Welcome to our Legal For You channel. Today we're talking about something that interests a lot of foreigners planning to buy property in Poland. Our topic is, can foreigners get a mortgage in Poland? Before we dig into the details, I want to make one thing clear. Yes, it is possible. But as always, the devil's in the details. Let's start with the basics. A mortgage is a long-term bank loan used to finance buying property. The property itself serves as collateral for the loan. In Poland, like in many other countries, foreigners have the right to apply for a mortgage. However, the process can be a bit more complicated than for Polish citizens. Let's look at the key things you need to know if you're planning to get a mortgage in Poland as a foreigner. First, the conditions for getting a loan. Banks in Poland have specific requirements for foreigners. The most important ones are: first, legal residence in Poland. You need to prove you're living in Poland legally. Usually, you need a permanent residence card or a temporary residence permit valid for at least as long as the loan term. Quick break here. Would you be interested in an ebook or course that explains how to get legal residence in Poland with document templates? If so, leave a comment below this video. Okay, back to our topic. The next thing is stable employment. Banks expect you to have a stable income source in Poland. They actually expect this from everyone, not just foreigners. Usually that they want to see an indefinite employment contract or proof that you've been running a business for at least 12 months. Next up is credit history. Ideally, you'd have a positive credit history in Poland. If you don't, some banks might ask for additional collateral. Fourth is the down payment. Most banks require foreigners to make a larger down payment than Polish citizens. It could be as much as 30 to 40% of the property value. Now let's look at the process of applying for a mortgage. Step 1. Choose a bank. Not all banks in Poland offer mortgages to foreigners. So start by researching and finding institutions that have this in their portfolio. Step 2. Gather documents. You'll need several documents, including passport or other ID, residence card, or other proof of legal stay, proof of income, or financial documents for your business. Documents about the property you want to buy. Step 3. Submit the loan application. After gathering all the necessary documents, you can submit your mortgage application. The bank will then analyze your creditworthiness. Step 4. Loan decision. The bank will assess your financial situation and decide whether to approve or deny the loan. This process might take longer for foreigners. Step 5. Sign the agreement. If the decision is positive, the next step will be signing the loan agreement. Remember, the process of getting a mortgage as a foreigner might take longer than for a Polish citizen. Be prepared for the bank to ask for additional documents or explanations during the process. Now let's look closer at some challenges foreigners might face when applying for a mortgage in Poland. First, the language barrier. Many documents and agreements will be in Polish. If you don't speak Polish fluently, it's worth getting help from a translator or financial advisor. Second, higher creditworthiness requirements. Banks often apply stricter criteria when assessing foreigners' creditworthiness. This might mean you'll need to show higher income or a longer employment history. Next point is limited offers. Not all banks offer mortgages to foreigners, which might limit your options and potentially affect your loan terms. You might also face higher interest rates. In some cases, banks might offer foreigners loans with slightly higher interest rates, which increases the total cost of the loan. Point 5. Legal issues. Buying property as a foreigner in Poland requires additional permits, which can complicate and prolong the loan process. Luckily, my law firm helps with these matters. If you need comprehensive legal help, we're here to assist. Just drop us a line. Despite these challenges, more and more foreigners are successfully getting mortgages in Poland. The key to success is good preparation and patience. That's all for today. In the next episode, I'll reveal a secret that can help in the loan process. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this link. Thanks to you, my channel's growing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.